Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding the mood and measurable targets. Set 100-300 lux for common areas, 50-150 lux for sleep spaces. Once chosen, select color temperature, 2700 K for cozy, 3000 K for balance, 4000 K for clarity, because color affects perception. Next, map layered zones. Ambient for overall wash, task for active spots, accent for highlights. Make sure to note furniture layout and reflective surfaces now. These determine fixture type and lumen counts that follow. You install fixtures to match the plan. Start with ambient lighting using dimmable overheads or wall washes that supply 60-80% of your lumen budget. That creates a base you can shape. Once done, add task lighting, pendants or desk lamps. Aim for 200-500 lux at the work plane so activities are crisp. Then place accent fixtures, spots or LED strips for texture, using 10-20% of lumens and separate zone controls. Make sure wiring and switch locations align with control strategy. You finish by calibrating controls. Install dimmers and preset scenes so transitions feel natural. This is the only way to get consistent night ambience. Once done, address glare. Angle fixtures, add baffles or diffusers, and verify CRI is above 90 for faithful color. Make sure to test at night with the room furnished. If areas feel uneven, rebalance lumen ratios or add small fill lights. If lights flicker, check drivers and wiring, replace faulty drivers. Then retest the scene.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.